and this is our last week to talk about maps. So this week we are going to review some things about maps. You're going to be making lots of maps. We're going to review everything that we've learned this year about continents and maps in our state. So let's look at 4 very important vocabulary words. They are title, key, symbols, and compass rose. Those are 4 of the vocabulary words you'll need to know. There they spin around, and we're going to talk about title. A map has a title because the title of a map, like a book, is the name of the place that the map is showing us. So we look for the title. Sometimes it's on the bottom or the top or the side, but the title of the map shows us or tells us what the map is going to show us. The next important word is key. The key helps us understand the symbols that we are seeing on the map. Sometimes there's not a key and they put the little word right next to the symbol. So there are different kinds of maps. There are so many different kinds of maps. Our next word, symbols. The symbols in the key are the little pictures that help us locate the places we want to locate on the map. So if you see the little symbol of a tree, you can look and see what that means. Maybe a tree means a forest, and then that's how you would look on the map and find where the forest is. And then our last word is compass rose. And again, sometimes there isn't a compass rose, but there are the signals to show us north, south, east, and west. The compass rose is something that helps us to know where the north is, which direction is north. So you are going to design a classroom or another room. You can design a different room, or you could even design a little town or whatever you would like to. And that is going to be your seesaw activity. So let's look at some examples of classrooms. Here's Miss Bishop's classroom, and see how she has north, south, east, and west around the outside. Then she has little pictures inside to show us where she would like things in our classroom. This is things that teachers do to get ready for the new school year. We make a map of our classroom. So when we come in the next year, we can have our classroom set up the way we would like it. Here's another example, Mr. Garcia's classroom, and see how he just put the words right there to show us where the students are going to be and where the computers are going to be. We don't really have computer stations anymore because now we use iPads. Here's another Miss Tapia's classroom, and boy, she has a big classroom. She has student tables and lots of different things that she can use to teach her kids. Guided reading table. She has a library in her classroom. So those are 3 examples. So on your seesaw, you're going to get this page, and then you can just draw in the ideas that you have. Where it says title, you can think of a name of the place that you're going to do your map. Here is where you put your pictures. Be sure to include a compass rose. You could do that right down here in the corner if you wanted to. And the map key has some symbols, like maybe a square means a desk if you want to do a classroom. But you can do another room. You can do something else if you'd like. Okay, I hope you have fun this week reviewing the things that we've learned about maps, and I hope you enjoy your seesaw activity.